This is Praise Radio KPRD, and we have a guest on the line.
Yes, we got a special guest on the line. Yesterday we actually had the high school edition here on KPRD with history, English, and science. Today that continues, but today we got a special guest from the Kansas City area, all the way over there from the east. And we have Eddie from Mrs. Kumer's pre-calc class there at at Staley High School. Is that right, Eddie?
That's correct.
Awesome. Hey, man, thanks for joining us today. How are you doing today, man?
I'm doing well. How are you?
Doing good. So, Eddie, I'm going to go out on the limb and say you must be a super smart kid because you are in a pre-calc class.
I would have to say maybe that may be true.
Maybe. Well, hats off to you, Eddie,
That's
because
right.
I'm not even sure if I'm saying calculus correctly when I say it. So
Calculus is not our cup of tea.
Yes.
Let's just put it that way.
but
That's all right.
we got a special feature here for you. I talked to Mrs. Kumer about this last night. I don't know if she's talked to you about this, but I
Yeah,
got
not.
2 calculus questions for you. If you could answer them correctly, then you and your entire class will get a 10-point bonus on a homework assignment.
All right.
Are you ready for that? So that means that, say you maybe forgot to turn in a homework assignment. I did that 3, 4, 5 times
Oh,
a week, maybe.
I know.
Maybe.
Mrs. Coomer's remembering.
I know. She's my mom. Hi, Mom. But
Hi, Dave.
so
Hi, Deb.
yeah.
Hi, good morning.
So that means if you get these correctly, then you can replace that with a 10. A 0 for a 10, or a 10 for a 0. There we go. How's that sound?
Sounds good.
All right, so here you go. Here is question number 1. Are you ready?
Yes, I'm ready.
All right. So, when Spider-Man battled the Green Goblin...
Oh, please.
Come on! That's a fun question, right? Okay. All right.
That's
all
not a
right.
pre-calc question.
All right. Your question 1.
I like that one.
I did too. Your question 1. What is the limit of negative 3x plus 27 as x approaches 5?
Negative 15 plus 27. So that'd be 12. Everybody say 12. 12 the answer.
You are
You're right.
wow.
Good job.
I am super impressed because I did
Proud-
not get that at all.
Proud of you. Wow.
All right, that's number 1. And we'll have question number 2 with you, Eddie, here in just a little bit as we head back into more music. Eddie is on the line, though, as if he gets question number 2 right, Eddie and his entire class there in Mrs. Kumer's pre-calc honors class will get a 10-point bonus for a homework assignment or a 10-point replacement for a homework assignment on the air.
And thank you for listening to Praise Radio for Midwest Kansas KPRD.